Hey, good morning, guys. This is Ratnakar from Ratna EduTech, and today we are going to discuss a new topic that is SQL. Okay, and I believe this video will going to help you to understand what is a SQL and what are the SQL queries and what are the commands and how to use it and what are the functions and what are the classes and giants and all. And today I'm going to start a new topic that is about of how to create a data, how to create a table in SQL. Okay, I'm going to use it MySQL. Okay, for simple understanding, and even I'm going to show you how to create a table. Okay, and in I can cover like a SQL commands as well. Okay, what are the commands? Different type of commands, and I'm going to create a table and I'm going to insert the data into that table by using of SQL commands. And more thing, guys, please don't skip this video until end because you will going to learn about of the topic. And if you skip the video, you will not. I can say if you're really a fresher, if you're really looking for this technical stuff, and I can say I believe it will going to give you some practical experience, like a practical I'm going to show you a practical explanation with an simple example. Okay, and here let's open Chrome and let's say download a MySQL workbench for Windows. Because my system is a Windows, so that is why I'm downloading for Windows. And if you have iOS, you can choose it. I can show you here. Okay, and so by default it is showing Microsoft Windows, and if you have Mac OS, you can choose, or else Ubuntu Linux operating system. It's depending on your operating system. Okay, just click on download option. Okay, don't click on this one or login or a sign up. Okay, just go with the download option here in the bottom. Okay, then wait for few seconds. Might be it will take a 10 seconds only, and let's wait for that. Let it download. Yes, it is downloaded. Just to click on that. Okay, and here one pop-up will come, and then I click on next. And this is my system path, location of my system where it is installing. And if you wanted to change depending on your system locations, your system memory, you can choose it. You can change. Then I'm going with a default one. Next, then I'm selecting complete one, not a custom. In a complete, all program features will be installed, so that is why I'm selecting complete one. Then click on next. Then I click on install option. Okay, it will take again like a few seconds or 10 to 15 seconds. And guys, I'm requesting you, if you are really like this video, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon, because you will get a notification while I'm uploading videos. And even in the next videos, I'm going to cover all about of the SQL commands and classes, what are the classes we have, and what are the functions, like a system dependent functions and the Windows functions and the joins and everything. It will take uh, like a long time, but it is a lengthy one. Okay, and definitely I'm going to cover all the stuff. I can say I can post it in uh, my channel. And until then, please subscribe the channel. Okay, and then okay, it is a finish. Then click on finish option. It will be finished. Okay, everything is set up here. Then I'm going to open MySQL workbench. Yes, by default it is open here. And then I'm clicking this one, local instance. This is my system local instance connection. Okay, yes, these all are my files, guys. Okay, so I'm going to remove this one. Do not save. Okay, just to click on here, create a new SQL tab for executing queries. Okay, and new tab will open here. I'm going to use a DS or like a database DSP. Just copy this one and click on this one. Okay, it will be executed. Or else you can do one thing. Okay, once it like a use DSP semicolon. So once it is right, just control enter, it will be executed. Okay, then I'm using like I'm going to show you how to create a table about of one sample example. I'm going to take one simple example, that is a student table. In a student table, even I'm going to insert the data about of the students, like a first name, last name, and location, contact number. Then I'm going to create a table. Okay, first of all, I like we need to check whether the table are exist in my database or not. Okay, select or show table. Okay, you can choose select a star from students. Okay, there is no student table. Okay, table does not exist. Then you can create here, create table. Table name is a student. Okay, then first name varchar. I'm giving 20. Okay, variables and characteristics 20. Okay, then wait, underscore name, again varchar, again 20, based on like a first name and last name. Just I'm taking like a 20. Okay, no worries on that. Then location, this is also varchar, and the 15 minimum I can take, like I'm taking 15. Then phone number, this is a numerical one, right? I'm taking 10. Then I'm closing the bracket, semicolon. So table is created here. Okay, I'm showing you, select the star from student, mm, student semicolon. Here the table is created. Okay, first name and the last name, location, and phone number. And even if you wanted to add more columns, like a section of the student and the roll number. Okay, and uh, like different columns, you can add it. Okay, first of all, just I'm like explaining one sample table, so that is why I took just a four: first name, last name, location, and the contact number. Then I'm going to like insert the data. Before going to insert the data, guys, here I create the table. Okay, just I'm giving creating the table. Table name is a student. Okay, I'm giving a student is a table name, and this is the first name. Okay, this is my first column, and this is my second column, and this is my third column. Location and phone number is a fourth column, and I'm selecting star. Star means what? Everything from that student means every data will be visible, every data will be showing here. Okay, so I'm going to insert the data. Insert insert into student values. Okay, then open the bracket. Here Ratnakar, okay, M is my surname, and I am from Hyderabad. And then contact number, right? Contact number is a numerical, right? 3 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, here comma for next one. Okay, and here Ramu and R, and then then he's from Bangalore. Okay, and the contact number is 6 7 8 9 10. Again semicolon, then Sri S, then she's from where, she's from Chennai. Okay, then 4 7 8 10. Okay, then Raghu G, so whatever you can choose. Then he's from where? He's from Mumbai, and the contact number, yes, it's a 10. Okay, then Madhu, okay, and surname is E. Then she's from where? She's from Kerala, and the contact number 2468910. Okay, okay. Then I'm giving semicolon, means I'm ending the data. Okay, this is commas means next. I'm like a next I have remaining rows, sorry, and semicolon means I'm like a this is for ending. Okay, I'm going to insert the values, then click on this one. Yes, I have inserted records in my table. Select star from student semicolon. Okay, see here, this is my table, and this is my records, 5 records I have inserted in my table. First name is there, last name is there, location and contact number, phone number, Raghu. Where is Raghu? Yes, zeros. Yeah, by default it is taking zeros. Okay, I need to update that. No worries on that. It is another. Okay, okay, and something like this you can create the table depending on your project and depending on your thoughts, and you can insert the data by using of SQL commands. We have actually 5 different type of SQL commands. Okay, I can show you what are those. Then click on notebook here. One second, sorry. Yes, uh, actually we have 5 different tough type of commands actually in a SQL. Okay, those are, first one is DDL commands, and the second one is DML, third one is DRL, and fourth one is TCL, and fifth one would be DCL. And guys, based on these commands we will going to insert the data, and we will going to update it, and we will going to delete it. Okay, and here we have sub commands in these commands. Actually DDL is nothing but a data definition language. Okay, data definition language. Okay, similarly this one is manipulation language. Manipulation language, sorry, yes, this one is data retrieving language. Okay, and this one is transaction control language. Okay, and this one is data control language. So actually guys, we have different commands, SQL commands. Okay, I'm going to explain each and everything about of these commands, and I'm going to insert and update okay, and everything about what is a DDL commands, and what are DML commands and DRL and TCL and DCL commands. I'm going to explain each and everything, and I'm going to insert the data. I'm going to update and delete based on these commands. Okay, and I believe you understand how to create the table in a MySQL workbench and how to insert the data. Okay, and how to like you got one clear idea, right? You got one clear idea, and I'm going to explain each and everything about for commands and classes. It will take lengthy video, but until then, for next videos, until then, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. And have a good day, guys. Thank you so much for watching this.